Dylan Fry, the real estate guy, here to be your guy for any real estate needs in the Kansas City area. We are back out in the suburb of Kearney today. If you're looking in the Kansas City area, Kearney is a great place for you to go. Today we are going to be walking through a nicer neighborhood. This neighborhood is a hidden feature of Kearney. It's a newer developed neighborhood, and it is going to be your custom homes. You're going to be talking about bigger lot. You're talking about custom features. Some stuff that's just straight out of a magazine. If you stick around for the entire video, you're going to get to check out what $600,000 could get you in this neighborhood. So let's talk about what Dovecot has to offer. But before we get into that, if it's your first time to the channel and you love these neighborhood videos, make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and then also hit that little bell so you'll get notifications of when we're dropping new videos of neighborhoods and showing you what it would be like if you were to move to Kansas City. So let's check out why somebody wants to move to this neighborhood of Dovecot. You're going to see all kinds of custom features on these different homes. And right now there's new construction going on here. We have a house that we're going to get into that's on the market now, and we're going to go check it out. You'll get to see the custom finishes, but a lot of the finishes inside of these homes are the value that you're going to see in these places, because they are straight out of a magazine. It is beautiful. You're going to be looking at that $500,000 plus on these homes in this neighborhood, but you can just check out as we span through the neighborhood, just see what it looks like, the custom features that are on each of these homes. You've got different styles, and then you've got a ton of nature. Say you're moving from the country and you're looking to get a little bit closer to the Kansas City area, but you still want that outdoorsy feel, this is the place for you. So Dovecot is still being developed today. You're going to see as we're going through the neighborhood and as you're doing the overhead shots, you're going to see that there is a ton of new construction going on right now, and there's multiple homes in here that are available. And as we've talked about with new construction, you're going to want to get in on that process early. Check out a few of our other videos below just to see what tips you should have for new construction if that's the route you're thinking about going. But come check out Dovecot. Hit me up and we'll take a look at it. If you're in that $500,000, you want those luxury homes. These homes are fully custom. You're going to get to make decisions, take a look at those, and just see the custom finishes and the custom feels on the inside of these homes. So you're thinking about moving to Kansas City. One thing that you need to be prepared for is Missouri weather. You can check out over here in this yard over here that there is a snowman. I'm out here in a t-shirt and just some long sleeves today because it completely flipped overnight. That's one thing that you need to be prepared for if you're looking to move to the Kansas City area, is that Missouri weather is crazy. Let's check out this custom built home. Just love the white finishes. You can see the different changes. You've got that shingled look on this one, with also how it transitions out. It's got great contrast on the outside of this house. You've got that old barn look as well with the stone up front here. This is a newer home. It was built in 2022, so you still got some landscaping stuff. You could come in and do what you want to this property in terms of the landscaping on the side of here. We've got some other new construction around as well. Check out the shutters on this house though. It really gives it that old time feel, and it's just like, this house is so custom. Actually, just so you can see what you can get for $600,000, let's go inside and check this place out. Hey, so now that we're inside, let's check out this home. There's some amazing features about this place. Check out these light fixtures. It's so unique in this property, and we're out here to see what you could get for $600,000 in Kearney. Really take this one in. You've got the amazing fixtures up here. They're really unique, custom. That's the big thing, is if you're looking for custom, these homes are going to be for you. Check out this fireplace and just the different, you can see the contrast with the wood and everything like that. You got a ton of natural lighting in here as well with these big windows. And then let's check out the kitchen. So we've got these nice heavy duty countertops in here. We've also got these awesome light fixtures in here, the fridge, all the amenities that are in here as well. And then these custom cabinets, they're just, you can't go wrong with those. Got that soft close and everything there. The main thing that I'm taking away from this kitchen is there is enough room to do whatever you want. This place is huge. You've got all the counter space you could need. You've got this little bar. You'd be able to put some chairs out here, be able to have your friends over here. You're cooking back here. doing anything you want to do. You're having drinks, maybe you're the partying type and you're hosting something. You've got this, and then as you feel, it just carries into that living area to where it's wide open. You'd be able to host anybody, and then you've got an amazing pantry like right here. Just to walk in, you'd be able to store everything there, so there's tons of storage in this place. Now let's go check out the basement just so you can see and start to imagine, because it's not finished, but you'd be able to you can imagine what you'd be able to do if you're purchasing in that 600,000 range. You may have that unfinished basement if you're looking at a home like this, and then you get to let your imagination run wild. So let's go check it out. These ceilings are super high. That's what you want in a basement, is you don't want to be down here and feel claustrophobic or anything like that. So you get to check that out. You've got the super high ceilings. You've got the, you can kind of see how a house is built when it's unfinished, and very quality in here. You've got tons of insulation, so you'd be able to finish this place out, have a rec room down here, anything you end up wanting to do. And then you've got an amazing view. You got a little step out back porch off here. And this is one of the benefits of Dovecot, is you've got the amazing scenery here on the outskirts of Kearney. All right, now for the main attraction. Let's head up to the master bedroom so you can check out this master suite, and it's gonna be amazing. Let's head upstairs. Check out one of these other custom features you've got right here. And you just see, as you're walking through this house, there's a lot of custom pieces on it. It's amazing. You got to come check it out in person. I am going to be holding an open house here, so just check the links below, because I'll be out here and you can come check this house out in person. Ton of custom features. You're going to want to see it. You've got plenty of space. Say you've got a family and you're looking to move out to Kearney, move into Kansas City, want to be out in the suburbs. We've got 3 bedrooms here on this second floor, and then we're going to walk right into the master bedroom. Check this out. This is the master bedroom here. You've got these nice, amazing lights around the edge. You've got this nice fixture here, and then this is the main spot of the house. Is you got to check out this master bathroom. You come in here, you've got everything. You've got the his and her sinks, but they're on different sides, so their stuff isn't flowing over into yours. You've got plenty of storage space for anything you might need in here. Check out this bathtub. You're one that wants to sit in the bathtub, maybe drink a glass of wine. You've also got this ledge up here to be able to store anything. While you're sitting in there, you can sit your drink up there, really enjoy your time in the bath. And then say you're in a bigger hurry, you got to check out this shower. This is one of those dual showers that it's his and hers. You got to fully embrace this. This is amazing. You've got the nice shower heads. You step in here, both of you are in there. You don't have to worry about somebody stealing all the water or anything like that. You get your own personal space. And then check this out. This is a walk-in closet. So you check this out. You've got plenty of space to store everything. Hang all your coats, hang your jackets, hang everything up in here. You've got this here. And it's hidden off of the bathroom, so you don't have to worry about everybody seeing your stuff out. Don't have to take up space in that master bedroom. You got plenty of space in here. Right off of the master bathroom is where you're gonna have your laundry set up, which is awesome. You've got this little extra wash if you've got kids or anything like that. You got some extra stuff you gotta clean. You got tons of storage space for everything you need for your laundry and different other stuff you want to hide and keep it out of the main view. But I'm just saying, this is one of the biggest features of this home, and why it's going to be worth your money if you're looking in that 600,000 range. And you really got to see it to believe it. So today we checked out a neighborhood in the suburb of Kearney, and if you're looking to move to Kansas City, you should really check this area out. We were out in Dovecot. You got to see what a $600,000 house in Dovecot looks like, and you also got to see the different finishes inside of this area and check out the overview, and you can see some of the new construction going on as well. I appreciate you guys coming out or watching this video, and if it's your first time to the channel and you really like these neighborhood videos, make sure you hit that like button on this video, subscribe to the channel, and then also hit that little bell so you'll get notifications when we put out future neighborhood videos.